For me, it's all about fitting and pretty much showing people what they look like in the clothing, right? You know, whatever shoes I've designed over like 250 pairs of shoes, right? So just giving people a different experience, what by trying on the shoes, just having that whole amplified to a whole different manner. But it's just finding the right company that I think is going to be a great fit to help me do that. So just taking small steps, and just, noting certain problems like, will this benefit me if I implement this? Or this happens, will this benefit me if I implement this? And like I said, using AI, it's very strategic, it's very beneficial, but it's very costly. So if I figure that I really need to move in that manner, I would have to, start moving forward with that. Because within the next, I would say 3 to 5 years, it's going to be very prominent that AI is going to be pretty much everywhere. Like I said, as far as like smart stores and everything, it's going to be very beneficial to a lot of people. So you want to be a part of the process, but you don't want to go broke by trying to get things done. Just like I said, you really have to be uh, keen to your decision as far as using AI as far as implementing in your company. Because some companies probably don't need it, and they think that they do, but you really have to just dial in and just figure what's going to be beneficial. But for me, I know we'll be working with AI sometime soon, and I'm just looking forward to what it's going to bring and how it's going to help us grow as a brand moving forward.